What if I told you that the car sitting in your driveway right now could potentially outlive most cars on the road? Not by a few years, not by a few thousand miles, but by hundreds of thousands of miles. Imagine driving the same car for 10, 15, even 20 years, while other people are constantly dealing with expensive repairs, monthly car payments, and the stress of shopping for yet another vehicle. Here's the shocking part. Most cars don't die because they're old. They die because of the way they're treated. Mechanics see it all the time. Perfectly good vehicles sent to the junkyard years before their time, all because the owner unknowingly made a handful of costly mistakes. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the habits, maintenance secrets, and overlooked practices that can help your car reach the legendary 300,000-mile mark. And in some cases, go even further. But fair warning, some of these tips go completely against what most drivers believe. And one simple mistake that millions of people make every single week could be silently killing your engine right now. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss practical car advice that can save you thousands of dollars and keep your vehicle running longer than you ever thought possible. Alright, let's get into it. For most people, a car is one of the biggest purchases they'll ever make in their lifetime. And yet, most drivers unknowingly treat their vehicles in ways that dramatically cut their lifespan short. Here's what the industry doesn't always tell you. Modern cars are built better than ever before. Many engines and transmissions are genuinely capable of lasting hundreds of thousands of miles straight from the factory. The problem isn't usually the vehicle. The problem is neglect. Small maintenance issues that get ignored become expensive repairs. Minor warning signs that get brushed off become major breakdowns on the side of the highway. And habits that seem completely harmless slowly grind down critical components over time. The good news: you don't need to be a mechanic to dramatically extend the life of your car. You don't need expensive tools or a garage full of equipment. You just need to understand what actually matters and start doing it consistently. Let's start by killing the biggest myth in car ownership. Most people believe that making a car last 300,000 miles comes down to luck. That some cars just happen to be tough and others aren't. That hitting high mileage is some rare accident of fate. That's almost never true. When you look at the vehicles that actually reach those numbers, they almost always belong to owners who follow consistent habits. It's not random, it's not luck, it's a pattern. Think about it this way. Your car is a lot like your body. You don't stay healthy by visiting the doctor once every 10 years and hoping for the best. You stay healthy through regular care, preventative habits, catching problems early before they become serious. Cars work exactly the same way. The biggest difference between a car that dies at 100,000 miles and one that's still running strong at 300,000 isn't the brand, the model, or even the engine. Most of the time, it's the owner. Not expensive modifications, not miracle products sold online, just consistency. And that's actually great news because consistency is something every single driver can choose. If there is one single maintenance item that has saved more engines than anything else in the history of the automobile, it's the oil change. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. Full stop. It lubricates the hundreds of moving metal parts inside your engine that are constantly grinding against each other at high speed. It reduces friction, it controls heat, it carries away contaminants, and helps prevent the kind of internal damage that ends engines for good. Here's the problem. Oil doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down, it gets contaminated, it loses its ability to do its job. And when that happens, engine components start experiencing dramatically increased wear, often without any obvious warning signs. This is exactly why so many people get caught off guard. They skip an oil change or stretch it out way too long because the car still seems to run fine. But engine damage is almost always gradual. By the time you hear a knock, feel a problem, or see a warning light, the damage is often already done. Fresh, high-quality oil in your engine on a consistent schedule is the single simplest, most affordable thing you can do to add years and hundreds of thousands of miles to your vehicle's life. Don't skip it, don't delay it, don't treat it as optional. Here's the mistake we mentioned earlier, the one that's silently shortening the life of engines across the country every single day. It happens in the first few seconds after you start your car. When an engine is cold, the oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Metal components are still at ambient temperature. Tolerances inside the engine are tighter. Everything is in a more vulnerable state than it will be once the engine warms up. And what do most drivers do the moment they start the car? They back out of the driveway and immediately accelerate hard. That creates serious, unnecessary stress on an engine that isn't ready for it yet. Every time you do this, you're causing wear that wouldn't happen if you just gave the vehicle a moment to breathe. The fix is incredibly simple. Drive gently for the first few minutes after a cold start. Don't floor it. Don't rev the engine hard. Let the oil circulate. Let the components warm up. Let everything reach normal operating temperature before you push the vehicle. This habit takes zero extra time. It costs nothing, but repeated over thousands of cold starts across the life of a vehicle, it can make an enormous difference in how long that engine lasts. If there's one thing that destroys cars faster than almost anything else, it's heat. Excessive heat is responsible for a staggering number of engine failures, transmission problems, and cooling system breakdowns. It degrades fluids, it warps components, it accelerates wear on seals, gaskets, and everything in between. Your cooling system is your car's first line of defense against heat, and it needs attention. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it breaks down, becomes acidic, and loses its ability to protect the system. Ignoring coolant maintenance leads to overheating. And overheating, even once, can cause catastrophic, permanent engine damage. Pay attention to your temperature gauge. If it climbs higher than normal, take it seriously. Never ignore an overheating warning, and keep driving, hoping it'll sort itself out, because it won't. Keep your cooling system flushed and maintained on schedule. Check your coolant level. Make sure your radiator, thermostat, and water pump are in good working order. Many vehicles that fail long before their time do so because of heat-related damage that was completely preventable with basic maintenance. Every car will talk to you if you learn how to listen. A noise that wasn't there last month. A slight vibration you haven't felt before. A warning light you've been meaning to look into. A smell that appears and disappears. Most drivers hear these signals and do nothing because the car still drives and the issue doesn't seem urgent enough to deal with right now. That is one of the most expensive decisions a car owner can make. Small problems almost never stay small. That faint noise coming from your brakes isn't just a noise. It's a worn pad getting closer to metal-on-metal contact. That minor vibration isn't just annoying. It could be a wheel bearing or tire issue that gets worse with every mile. That warning light isn't just an inconvenience. It's your car's computer telling you something needs attention. The longer you wait, the worse it gets, and the worse it gets, the more it costs. Drivers who make it to 200,000, 300,000 miles almost universally share one trait. They don't ignore warning signs. They investigate early, address problems quickly, and understand that a small repair today is almost always far cheaper than a major repair 6 months from now. Maintenance is only half of the equation. The other half is how you actually drive the car. Think about what aggressive driving really does to a vehicle. Hard acceleration forces the engine and transmission to work at their maximum stress levels. Slamming on the brakes puts enormous heat and pressure on brake components. Constant high speeds generate heat throughout the drivetrain, and repeated stop-and-go abuse, especially when you're aggressive about it, compounds wear across nearly every system in the car. Now flip that around. Smooth, controlled acceleration. Gradual, anticipatory braking, slowing down by easing off the gas before you even touch the brake pedal. Maintaining consistent speeds on the highway, leaving appropriate following distance so you're not constantly reacting instead of anticipating. These habits reduce stress on the engine, transmission, brakes, tires, suspension, and more. Every single mile driven smoothly is a mile that puts less strain on the vehicle than it could have. And over the course of 200,000 or 300,000 miles, that difference isn't just noticeable, it's massive. You don't have to drive like you're afraid of the car. You just have to drive with intention. By now, you might be waiting for the secret. The product, the additive, the trick that mechanics don't want you to know about. There isn't one. The real answer the one that every high-mileage vehicle owner will tell you if you ask them, is consistency. Not perfection, not obsession. Just showing up for your car the same way you'd show up for anything else you want to last. Following the maintenance schedule, checking fluid levels, replacing worn components before they fail, listening when the car is trying to tell you something, and treating the vehicle like the significant investment it actually is. None of these things are dramatic. None of them will make a great YouTube thumbnail on their own. But over 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, they compound. The vehicle that's been consistently maintained doesn't just last longer. It stays more reliable, more efficient, and more enjoyable to drive throughout its entire life. The people who reach 300,000 miles don't have a secret. They just do the ordinary things extraordinarily well, and they never stop. A car that lasts 300,000 miles isn't a fantasy. It's not reserved for a handful of lucky drivers or special vehicles. For most modern cars, driven and maintained the right way, it's completely within reach. The difference comes down to this. How do you treat your vehicle? Regular oil changes, a gentle warm-up after cold starts, keeping the cooling system healthy, addressing problems early, driving smoothly, and committing to consistency over the long haul. Do those things, really do them, not just once, but as habits, and your car has every chance of outlasting the loans, the payments, and the headaches that most drivers keep cycling through. Here's the mindset shift that might stick with you after this video. Every single mile you drive is either adding life to your vehicle or taking life away from it. The difference between those two outcomes isn't mechanical, it's behavioral, it's a choice. And the good news is, it's a choice you can start making right now. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend or family member who wants to get the most out of their car. We'll see you in the next one.